Hi there! Adding funds to your Bousol wallet is simple and secure. You can choose from 4 options: ACH Transfer, Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle. Let's walk you through the process step by step. No matter which method you choose, you'll start with these easy steps. 1. Open the Bousol app and choose how you'd like to deposit funds: ACH Transfer, Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle. 2. For error-free deposits, your reference number is necessary for the deposit information. Just tap the blue bar at the bottom of the screen to copy it instantly. 4. ACH Transfers. 1. Transfer funds to the bank account details provided in the app. 2. Once the transfer is complete, your funds will appear in your Bousol wallet shortly. If you're using Venmo, 1. Scan the QR code or copy the reference number provided. 2. Open the Venmo app and press Pay/Request. 3. Search and select Bousol under Businesses, then paste the reference number. 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer, press Pay, and the funds will show up in your Bousol wallet soon after. For Zelle, 1. Copy the reference number provided. 2. Open your bank app and go to the Zelle section. 3. Enter the Bousol email as the recipient. 4. Type in the amount you'd like to transfer and press Send. Your funds will appear in your Bousol wallet shortly after. That's it. Adding funds to your Bousol wallet is quick and easy, whether you choose ACH Transfer, Venmo, or Zelle. Start adding and sending funds today.
Bousol, your money, your security, and your peace of mind.